children. Today we will read Be Reading. Okay, Be Reading, Unit 1 Be Reading. I Want Peace. It is a poem. Let's start. I am big and round. I wondered if there will be peace. I hear the sound of people who are being killed. I see the people crying for life. I want to help the poor people. Now, here, Earth is telling, I am big and round. Earth is big and round, but it is telling, I am wondered because people are killing each other without reason, and all people are crying for life. And I want to help the poor people. Who want to help the poor people? Earth want to help the poor people. Okay, next. I big and round. I feel the weight of sorrow, means pain, on me. I touch the feeling of the people. I worry about the future of the people on me. I cry for help from God. Now again, who is I here? Who is the speaker? Earth. Earth is the speaker. I is the speaker. Again, Earth is telling I am big and round. But I feel weight of sorrow. Means lot of sorrow is there. Because people are being killed. They are killing without reason each other. Innocent people, like terrorists killed the people like this. And I feel people are not happy. I am always worry. Means I am lot of thinking about. Worry means thinking about the future of my people. Who are people? We are those who are living on the earth. And I am crying. Earth what is telling? I cry and I request to prayer to God to help my all people. Who are all people? We are all people. Now next, I am big and round. I understand the problems of the people on me. I see grace for the people. Grace means blessing. I dream about my past. I try to handle my sorrow. I hope I won't be destroyed. Means wasting. I am big and round. Again here, it is the last stanza. Again here, Earth is telling, he is only speaker. Earth is telling I am big and round. I understand all the problem. People have lot of problem. Poverty is one problem. Okay, and what he is telling, it is telling grace of all people. Means I want all my people will be happy. I dream about my past, how past was there, because no one is spoiling that time. No one is spoiling the earth. Now we are spoiling. Lot of pollution is there, soil pollution, water pollution, lot of means of transport there. That's why earth is going to spoil. We use polythene bags. That is why earth past time nobody use these all things. No, earth was very pure, clean. Now it is more tall buildings. There are lot of factories came. That's why earth spoiled. That is why earth is telling I was thinking about past. I try to handle my sorrow. All people are all not happy there, so I try to handle them, and I hope I won't be destroyed. And it is telling I hope people will not destroy me. Keep me neat and clean, greenery, plant trees, and not destroy. I am big and round. Okay, thank you.
Hello children, it is the C reading. First unit C reading. C reading is third lesson of your textbook. Grand contest in the forest. Contest means competition. Grand means in great manner, in high manner, in big manner. In the forest means jungle. Now let's see. The animals, birds and trees were excited. Excitement means very happy and energetic, very active. They began to prepare for the great day. Great day means the day when the competition will be happen. when they would give their best to the great one, except means only this, the little grey squirrel. Now in forest, great competition there among the animals, birds and trees. All animals, birds and trees were very happy, very active, and all were preparing for the competition, and everybody was thinking he would give their best in the competition, and except only the little grey squirrel was not preparing at all. Otherwise all were preparing, all were happy, all were excited, very happy. Because why? Because a great competition was going on among the all animals, birds and trees. Now next, there was excitement in the air. There was going to be a grand contest, should show something special, and the best one would be praised by the Lord of wind, water and sun. Animals and tree began to prepare. Now they made, all animals, birds and tree made preparation accordingly, but the little only, she was only not happy, and everybody, birds, animals and tree were very excited to show their special ability. Everybody was doing, and because who was the judge? Judge was the goddess of wind, water and sun. Goddess was the sun, will be judge. That's why all one preparing to win the prize. Next, I will shine like sparkling sunshine, said the laburnum. Laburnum is a small tree with groups of yellow flowers hanging down. That tree called laburnum. My flower will be look like golden raindrop. Golden because yellow flower, it look like a golden raindrops only. And he was, what laburnum tree told? It told कि I will be spark means shine like a sunshine. How sun shining? Because sun when shine, that color is the golden color is there, and that tree flower also yellow color. So he was कि I will offer my flower only. Laburnum tree told कि my flower would be the golden raindrop color is there, and I will offer that. The gulmohar, also a tree, said that also be gulmohar also yellow color and some reddish color flowers is there. I will dress myself so that I look like a early morning sun, golden red is spreading radiance means brightness. Now gulmohar also told, that tree also told, I will also ready myself like this. I will also look like a early in the morning, how sun is there, some golden color and some reddish color. When you will see early in the, when sun rises, that time sun color is what? Golden and very good color is there. Then gulmohar told, I will look like this, I will prepare, I will dress up like this. They told. Now I will offer the best honey I could find, shouted the bear. And bear shouted, I will collect all money, money not honey. I will collect all the best honey and I will offer to the goddess the money. All were very excited. Who were not excited? Who were not happy? Only little grey color squirrel. Hello children, it is the second part of your C reading, unit 1 C reading. Lesson name, Grand Contest in the Forest. Let's start. The elephant said, I will get the best fruit so fresh it would still be on the branches and lay them at the at her feet. Her, who is her? Her is the goddess, goddess of wind, water, and sun. Goddess would be the judge of the competition. What told elephant? Elephant told, I would give the best fruit and I would give the fresh fruits. I will not pluck fruits from the branch. I will bring the full branch only where hanging all fruits. It will be fresh, and I would offer to the feet of the leg of the goddess. He told elephant. I told all animals, birds and tree were very excited, very happy, very energetic, very active and preparing themselves for what? For the competition. Everyone had something beautiful or wonderful to offer on the great day, because everyone having something wonderful, something great to offer to whom? To the goddess of wind, water and sun. Everyone except a little grey squirrel, who talked sadly to himself. What does a little grey squirrel with white strips have to offer? Now every animals were happy, active, energetic, but only, I told starting only little grey squirrel was not happy, because he was telling to himself, ki what would I offer, because I am not beautiful, I am not bright, I am grey color and black strip, I am very small. What could I do? What could I give? That's why he was very sad. The Plas said, the forest will be blaze with my beauty. Plas is the one tree with red flowers, and these flowers will be offered to God. It is sacred flower, very, which we use in the time of worship, in puja. That is, the forest will be blaze. Blaze means bright. Blaze means full of bright light with my beauty. Though late, I will save some flower. Now Flash told, I will save some flower and I will be blaze. I will be like this light bright there, because red color flower is very, very, and fresh flower look very beautiful. So I will be look differently. I will be shine my brightness will be everywhere. When? At the day of the competition. How you are preparing yourself in the day of Children Day. All children very happy and they get ready in different way. Like they were also preparing for the competition. And though early, I will make some flower blossom. Blossom means bloom. And snap the Gulmohar also told, okay, I will be early morning only fresh flower. First means I will be buds first, and then I will flower same time open. Now fresh flower will be open, and then I will be offer that only. Everybody is very happy. Everybody is telling, I will give this, I will offer this, that only. The beautiful tree and creatures has started competing and fighting. All trees, animals, birds, they are fighting each other. I would be look beautiful and I would be offer this, I will be shine like this, I will be bright like this, I would be this, like this. They were fighting each other. I will be only, I would be look good. My mangoes are ready, announced the mango tree. I'm now mango tree told. Okay, my mangoes are ready means already yellow, nice, ripe mangoes are ready. I would offer the mangoes. The peacock said, emeralds means emerald is a stone, green color stone, and turquoises are my feathers. Turquoises is the color, a bluish green colors turquoise. Now peacock told, peacock dance nicely. My feather color is different, green and green, bluish green color, I will be same time I will be offer my these feather only. And next, lark trilled. Lark is a small birds which sing very sweetly. I will sing a song beautiful and moving. Now lark is telling, lark told, I will sing a nice song and I will move like this, sing and move like this. The dove, dove is a pigeon, white color, cook. Ed not pronounced, cook means in that speaking language is there. Dove cook, say the great one would love her soft note. Okay, I will also means speak like this because I am white color. He also told, gift and beauty abound. Abound means lot of. Now lot of gift, so many. I will offer this, I will offer, and so many trees, flower telling I look very good. Lot of is there. Beauty abound means in a big amount. Gift also offering so many animals, birds, and these trees, and beauty also they are in flowers. Thought the squirrel in despair means she was very sad and she was thinking all would be look beautiful and they have lot of things, they are very very big, they offered good thing. Elephant full branch would be offer, then what I would offer, that's why squirrel was very sad. He thought and thought, I will do what I can do best. Then she thought and thought, what could I do? Then she told, okay, I could do what I will do. What could I do? My best I will do. And he decided, he found hollow. Hollow means empty, like bamboo stick is there inside empty, like this empty branches, and filled them with as many nuts and seeds of different trees as he could find. Now what he decided, little squirrel told, I did not look good, I am very small, I can't collect anything. Okay, he decided, I will take one hollow branches of dry branches and I will collect all seeds, different seeds and nut like ground nut is there, like this nut I will fill, because he is very small, he was very small, he can pick up little thing, that slowly he will be collect all the seeds and nuts into the hollow branches. Nobody will look, otherwise anybody will steal that. Okay, hello children, it is the third part of your lesson, the grand contest in the forest, unit C. Let's start. The next day everyone was ready. The great one came. Great one came means the goddess of wind, water and sun came. The air became soft and balmy. L is silent. Balmy means pleasant, very nice. The stream means waterfall. Trickled is a sound of water as the tumbled over the little rock. Now atmosphere is very pleasant, very cool, wind was very blowing, everybody was happy, and water also following, and water because it little rocks falling from the little rock, that is why sound was coming. So very good atmosphere was there, because that day competition was going to take place. Great one, here is my gift, said each, laying means keeping gifts at her feet. Now all animals, birds, tree, all are keeping their gift at the feet of goddess of wind, water and sun. And after that, after everyone had given their gift, the great one looked at the little grey squirrel and asked, little one, why are you quiet? Now everybody offered, only little grey squirrel was standing in a side, and then Godet asked, why you are so much quiet? Where is your gift? Then after this, I have nothing grand to offer you. I didn't glow or sing. Now he told, I don't have any grand, very big item. I couldn't offer you, and I didn't glow also shine like other, and I couldn't sing also. But what I have with my heart. And he scampered away. Scampered means moving quickly with short steps. And he returned dragging. Dragging means pulling. When you can't lift up, then you, it heavy item you can't lift up, then you drag it. That dragging with force, bringing his dry branches. And the great one looked grave. Seriously, grave means seriously. Now same time he told, little gray squirrel told, I don't have anything, I can't grow, I can't sing, but what I have give with my full hearted. And he same time jumped slowly because he is too small, and he dragged a branch which he filled with a seed and nut and given to the goat. And goat looking very seriously to that, because the dry branches did not look beautiful. Dry branches means what? Hollow. There everybody was thinking what he was offering. What is that? But let's see. I see beauty in the form of sound. All the waited holding their breath. The prize goes to the gray squirrel. For now everybody seen. After this, when the godet announced the prize goes to the went to the little squirrel only. Everybody got surprised because everybody was thinking what she had offered, just only dry branches. For I can use the seed and sow means putting into the water, and then only plant coming na new life and burst forth. Trees will bear means give more fruit. It is a gift not only for today but also for all our tomorrow. Now what the goddess told, that squirrel offered the seeds and nut, and these seed I will put into the soil, sow them, and after this new tree will be come outside, and after this fruit will become, and that gift is not for tomorrow. After these trees life are so many years. Every years mango tree every years gives fruit na. Time is there, season is there, then every time mangoes, guavas, apples, their trees are giving their fruit. It is not only one day giving, every year so many years up to. So the squirrel gift was the future gift. Now also eat, and tomorrow new generation also eat. It means what? Squirrel was very intelligent. She thought about future. Now the creature then marveled, means very happy, pleased, and saying, how foolish we were to think only of the present. Now all animals, bird animals, they were thinking, how foolish we were there, how clever that small squirrel was there. She did not tell anything, and she thought how she was intelligent. She thought for future, and she collected the seed. After the 3 cheers for the little squirrel. Everybody cheers means encourage the little squirrel, and thought ki, because now beauty is nothing. What is there important? Intelligence is intelligent, hard working, obedient, determination, and will strong power. If you have desire to do something, then only you will do something. So beauty is not matter. What is matter? Intelligence matter, hard work, and your good behavior, and your strong willpower to do the work. Okay, thank you.